But I have to say, Ben's on-screen appearances began at quite an early age. Now, I think you were a teenager, weren't you? Did anyone remember Ben Whishaw's fine work in a series, not just one, a series of Bird's Eye ads? Anyone remember these?
Yes.
And I didn't know you were...
Yeah, how old are you in these? About 17, 18?
When I see it, maybe I'll be able to be more accurate. I think I'm about 17.
OK, this is... honestly, it'll make you want to get some Bird's Eye chicken curry. Here you go, Ben Whishaw.
Oh, Lord above.
Ping.
Thanks, Sean. Looks really nice. Where's it?
Oh, it's just Bird's Eye. Chicken curry. It's really interesting. It's got herbs, spices, and 100% chicken breasts.
Easy tasty, Bird's Eye, lovely.
So good!
That's a brilliant... That's a genius.
I remember that day very well because they couldn't use real steam. And it had to look piping hot, this chicken curry. And the real steam, for some reason, wasn't reading. And to my alarm, suddenly there was a bloke next to me with a long straw, a very long straw, puffing a cigarette through the chicken curry.
Oh, my God.
That I then had to eat.
Oh, my God.
Different times, different times.
By the way, you're brilliant in it.
Yes.
Well done.
No, that's a...
Sake.
Because usually old ads are just funny, but was meant to be funny and is funny. Yeah, it's good.